How to say your name. Hi, I'm Julia. My name is Julia. Hey, I'm Julia. How to say your nickname. Call me Julie. You can call me Julie, but I prefer Julie. How to say your age. I'm 30 years old. I'm in my 30s. I'll be 30 this April. How to say your marital status. I'm single. I'm married. I'm divorced. I'm engaged. I have a boyfriend, girlfriend. I don't have plans to get married soon. I'm a single mom. I'm getting married soon. I'm a single dad. How to say your country or nationality. I'm from UK. I'm British. I come from UK. I grew up in UK. I was raised in UK. I was born in UK. To say your occupation or profession. I'm a manager. I work as a manager. I'm a manager. To say you're the company you work for. I work for a Starbucks. I work for a Starbucks as a waiter. I'm a waiter in a Starbucks. How to say where you live. I live in New York. I am staying in New York. I'm in New York now. To say where you lived before. I lived in New York. I've been living in New York since 2010. I moved from London to New York. How to talk about what you study. I study medicine. I'm going to medicine college. I study medicine in the university. How to talk about your family. I have one brother. I am an only child. I don't have any brothers or sisters. My parents are John and Susan. My parents' name are John and Susan. I live with my parents. They're John and Susan. I have a big family. I have an extended family. I have a nuclear family. How to talk about hobbies. I like going shopping on the weekends. I really like to play the guitar. I enjoy cooking for my family. I'm a big fan of traveling to different places. I love singing in the shower. I'm a keen runner. I'm interested in reading books. I prefer watching TV than going to the movies. I'm into playing soccer. How to talk about what you don't like. I don't like staying at home. I hate people who tell lies. I can't stand running in the morning. I'm not into watching series on Netflix. I'd rather not to play cards. I don't enjoy drinking alcohol. How to talk about your personality. I'm a hard-working person. I consider myself as a sociable person. You can find I'm a responsible person. How to talk about a fun fact about you. I must say, I can talk a lot sometimes. I have to say, I'm not very sociable. I need to tell you, I hate spiders a lot. How to end your introduction. And I think this is it. And this is who I am. That's it. Nice to meet you.